Past perfect.
You use the past perfect to refer to an action or event that began in the past and that is prior to another action also in the past. The action that occurred first is in the past perfect and the one that follows is in the past simple.
Practice.
When I went to school, I had to use my bike to get there faster, avoiding delays. That day a difference arose: there were too many cars. I had to go to the other side of the avenue. That day I had a test. I had no idea what time it was. I had hurried to get to school. At our time I had to find a shortcut which would take me faster. I was finally able to get to school. When I entered, met a friend and we had to get to the classroom quickly. When arriving in the salon I looked for a pencil and I had not have one. I asked my partner, "Can you lend me a pencil?" and luckily he had a spare one. We taken the exam, and we had lucky to pass.
Thanks for your attention.